welcome to day 8 of 24 days of Christmas. I'm doing a festive Christmassy video every single day, still Christmas Day. And today, as you can tell from my little drink that I have in my hand and from the title, we're doing some mulled wine. Honestly, if you have never had this, or like for example here it's called Glühwein in Germany, if you've never had mulled wine, Glühwein, whatever you may call it, wherever you are, you have to try it. And this is a very simple, quick and easy way to do mulled wine at home, to get that kind of like festive feel. Even though outside we can't really go to Christmas markets or things like that, you can give it a try at home. And if you've never tried it, it's the perfect time to try it. Now, a quick disclaimer before we begin. I'm not condoning or promoting any underage drinking. You have to be of age. You can do the exact same recipe except with kids' fruit punch or alcohol-free wine. So, aside from that, if we're of age, I'm going to show you a recipe of how to do this. So let's go ahead and get started.
So this is a very quick video and I'm just going to show you the ingredients and as I go. Basically you just need a red wine bottle. I used one specifically made for mulled wine and I poured in half of it first because I want to show you what I'm about to do in 2 seconds. Basically I found at the store these kind of like mulled wine sachets that you just chuck in there with one bottle, easy to go. You could do that especially if you don't like the spices just hanging around in the mug. But yeah, you just put that, you leave it on there for 10 minutes and you continue stirring it. Make sure when you make mulled wine you do not let it boil, it just warms up. That's a bit hard and tough to get it right at the first time, but I decided to make it extra spicy, and as you can see I'm adding the spices that you need for the mulled wine. The recipe will be linked in the description box, but basically you just need 3 cinnamon sticks, 6 cloves, you need 3 anise stars and 2 tablespoons of syrup along with a whole orange. You can just like cut that up into pieces like I did and just cut that up a little bit more. You could also make it as a garnish. Like I said, you don't have to put the tea bag and these. It's just, it depends like which one you want to go for, either quick and easy just with the tea bag or do the actual whole thing from scratch, which is quite easy anyway. So you just give that a stir for 10 minutes. Don't let it get too hot. As you can see there, like it was getting way too hot, so I had to mix it really quickly. But then you just grab a cup and start serving yourself, like I said, with or without these little spices. And yeah, this is it. I really hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my vlogmas and I'll see you in my other Christmassy video, guys. Bye!